Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie Tips and Tricks. Spices are a must in a kitchen as they really enhance recipes. I enjoy Middle Eastern cuisine with its incredible variety of herbs and spices that gives such a beautiful flavor to the dishes. When it comes to spice blends, there's one that is amazing to cook with that you can make from scratch. So my friends, let's get cooking.
In a small skillet over medium heat, we'll add sesame seeds and we'll toast them until golden brown, tossing often. Keep an eye on them as they will go from caramel color to dark very fast. When we achieve that beautiful toasted color, we'll simply remove from the heat and let them cool off for about 10 minutes. Next, we'll add the seeds to a spice grinder and process for only 5 seconds. Trust me, you don't need more than that. We want to grind them enough, but not so much that they turn into fine powder. See, something like this. We'll transfer to a small mixing bowl, and to this, we'll add dried thyme leaves, ground sumac, which you can find at many specialty stores, then dried oregano leaves, which is not a typical ingredient, but it sure gives a lovely flavor, followed by ground cumin and ground Himalayan sea salt. We'll give a good whisk until the ingredients are well blended. Now, as I explained on the website, there is no right or wrong Za'atar recipe. Therefore, here's another ingredient I like to add: lemon seasoning. It's optional, but it brings a nice citrus note to the spice blend. I don't use a lot, just a little. And of course, if you add some as well, you'll have to incorporate it into the mix. We'll transfer to an airtight container and store in a cool, dark place for up to 3 months.
As you saw in this video, it's an easy blend to make and it will enhance many dishes. I hope you enjoyed tips and tricks of the day, and for many more, including recipes, visit clubfoodie.com. Until next time my friends, bon appétit!